Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today is my wash day and I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan oil from Morocco line. The only thing that's missing from my set right now is the oil, but I'll get that at a later date. So I start off washing my hair by using the Care Dry and Itchy Scalp Shampoo. So what this does, I use it as a clarifying shampoo because it deeply cleanses your hair and it also eliminates flakes, because I stated over and over, I have dry scalp, so you have to go in with a clarifying shampoo. When it comes onto the Cream of Nature shampoo, it says that it gently cleanses. The Care one deeply cleanses. I heard somebody made a review on the Cream of Nature shampoo and they were like, oh, it doesn't clean their scalp properly. Obviously, it already stated on the bottle that it gently cleanses, not deeply. So if you want something to cleanse your hair before, you can definitely go ahead and try the Care shampoo, or just wash your hair more times with the Cream of Nature. It's all up to you. So I'm using my comb to actually help get deep in my scalp. When it comes on to getting rid of the dry scalps, I need to get that little round brush thing that they use to wash their hair, that I see people using to wash their hair. So yeah, I'm gonna get one of that soon, but so far I'm going to continue to use my comb and help, and it really helps because it's fine, so it actually gets most of all the flakes off. So now we're going to talk about the shampoo. So it states that it is sulfate free, moisturizes and shines, gently cleanses, hydrates and detangles your hair. So with all of the line, every product in this line, it says that it is sulfate, petroleum, mineral oil and no alcohol. So it has none of all of those four in their products, and the part that I love the most is that it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So yeah, for my Care shampoo, I actually wash my hair twice with it, and now when I went in with the Cream of Nature shampoo, I went in once and I rinsed it out. In your hair. When you're finished, ensure that you wash off the conditioner, the shampoo, everything off of your face, off of your body, because these are things that will lead to acne on your face, on your body. You have to make sure that that's gone. Now, for my leave-in conditioner, it is called Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Dual action for strength and exotic shine. And it says the same thing. No petroleum, no mineral oil, no drying alcohol. And it says just shake to activate. In addition to that, I'm going to use the Creamy Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion, and it restores moisture, softens and adds shine to the hair as well. If you're going to go under the dryer, the lotion is a must have because it helps with heat damage. So for my mousse, this is the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Creates soft wraps, define curls, prevent frizz, and adds exotic shine. So I am going to style my hair off camera, wrap it, go to bed, and then y'all will see the results by the next morning. work great. The finish of my hair though, that's my fault. I should have brushed it out properly so it would have been more smoother. As you can see, like at the back there, it needed to, brush out some more. But anywho, I like the turnout of my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are not a subscriber, don't forget to click that subscription button down below. Bye.